Hey, what's up guys? Today we're reviewing the Bad NLV skid plate. I ordered it in black. It comes in raw, black, red. So the difference with this and the OEM one is this one has better hardware for securing it in place. It uses these U-clip nuts and M6 bolts. And then also it's got these M6 bolts that hold these panels in place where you can remove it and do your oil change without having to remove the entire skid plate. So you guys know I like to weigh everything that I swap out. Okay, let's weigh it with the covers on. Got 3 pound and 15 ounce. And then with these removed, which is probably how I might run the skid plate, it is 3 pound, 2.7 ounce. Okay. All right, let's weigh the OEM skid plate. £1 pound, 7.4 ounce. So just remove wherever the U-clip is for the little quarter turn screws that come on the OEM. And slide in the new ones to take the M6 bolts. All right, that should be it. Okay, so here's how the cutouts look for the oil filter. Then you have one to drain the oil. Okay, this actually works out perfect. So I was a little nervous that I wouldn't be able to reach the Defi sensor plug to unplug it when I drain the oil. So you can see the plug right there. Right here. So I do have access to the plug. I just have it zip tied right now. I'm gonna undo that zip tie and then figure out a spot to zip tie it. Let's go ahead and clip it. So I just need to tie these somewhere where I'll have access to it. With the pan in place, let's see how it looks. Okay, so here's how it looks right now. So I may zip tie it like right here, like this. I think as long as I'm on this side of the plug, it's okay. Yep, okay. So it's right here. I can just unplug it here, remove the drain bolt, and then pull that whole harness out. Drain the oil, slide this connector back through here, plug it in, and then tighten the drain bolt. Alright guys, it's installed. Let's see what we got here. Easy access to the filter. Over here to drain the oil. Plenty of space, got a huge cutout. The rattling you're hearing are these little U-clips for the covers. Let's put the cover back on. Super easy to install. Probably takes 10 minutes if you're not making a video for YouTube. Yeah, highly recommend the product. It'll make oil changes a lot easier, and I don't have to worry about that stupid flimsy OEM skid plate falling off.